Dear students, in this video we are going to see Ascomycetes. These Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi. The Ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Example, Penicillium, or rarely unicellular. Example, yeast, Saccharomyces. These Ascomycetes are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, or coprophilous. Coprophilous means they grow on dung. When you see the mycelium, Ascomycetes mycelium is branched and septate. Septa are found in mycelium of Ascomycetes. Pores are present in septa. These pores allow cytoplasm to pass from one cell to another cell. Pores do not allow the nucleus to pass through. Now let us see the asexual reproduction in Ascomycetes. This asexual reproduction is done by conidia, and sexual reproduction is done by somatogamy and gametangial contact. Let us see somatogamy. Ascospores are formed during sexual reproduction. On this basis, they are named as Ascomycetes. There are three stages in sexual reproduction of Ascomycetes. You already know that one. One is Plasmogamy, Karyogamy, and Meiosis. In the two fungal hyphae of Mycelium come close to each other and their cells fuse to form DIKARYA. After this, an outgrowth originates from DIKARYA, which is called ascogenous hypha. Ascogenous hypha developed and formed a sac-like structure which is called ascus, and the plural is asci. Due to this sac-like ascus, Ascomycetes are called sac fungi. Now, both the nucleus reach in ascus and fuse to form diploid nucleus. Now, ascus is protected by some fungal filaments to form a fruiting body called ascocarp, in which reductional division occurs, leading to formation of haploid ascospores. Minimum 4 ascospores are formed in one ascus, but generally 8 ascospores are formed in one ascus. By the rupturing of ascocarp and ascus, ascospores become free and each ascospore forms a new mycelium. Ascocarps are three types. One is Cleistothecium, that is closed and ball shaped. Apothecium, open and cup shaped. Third one is Perithecium, pitcher or flask shaped. Now let us see some of the examples of Ascomycetes. The first one, very prominent one, is going to be Penicillium, which is also known as blue-green mold. In Penicillium notatum, Fleming obtained the antibiotic penicillin from it. Penicillin is the first discovered antibiotic. Fleming was awarded Nobel Prize for it. But nowadays, more quantity of penicillin obtained from Penicillium chrysogenum. Fleming was doctor in British Army, and while working on bacterium Staphylococcus, he by chance discovered the penicillin. The discovery of penicillin was a serendipity, that is by chance discovery. Another organism is Penicillium griseofluum. Griseofluin, an antifungal antibiotic, is obtained from it. Another one, Penicillium camemberti and Penicillium roqueforti, both are used in the manufacturing of camembert cheese and roquefort cheese respectively. Cheese is made by fermentation, which is done by fungus. And the second organism is going to be Aspergillus. It is black or brown or blacky smoky mold. Aspergillus proliferans, an antibiotic, proliferin, is obtained from it. Aspergillus fumigatus, it causes many diseases in human and cattle. These diseases are known as aspergillosis. Aspergillosis of ear is main cause of ear pain. Aspergillosis of lungs, its symptoms are similar to tuberculosis. Aspergillus flavus is preferred to grow on stored food. Example, groundnut, cashew nut, etc. and fodder. It secretes toxic substances. These toxic substances are known as aflatoxins. Aflatoxins, they are carcinogenic. That is, they develop cancer. Aflatoxin causes mainly liver cancer. And another one organism is Aspergillus niger, is known as weed of laboratory and produce citric acid. Third organism is going to be Claviceps. Claviceps purpurea. It causes ergot disease of bajra. Ergostin, a drug, is obtained from it. A narcotic drug, that is LSD, is also obtained from it. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, is hallucinogenic drug. And fourth organism is Marshalla. The species of Marshalla are commonly called as morels. It is an edible fungus. And another one, fifth one, that is Neurospora, red or pink mole. Drosophila of plant kingdom. This is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom. It is used for the study of genetics in plant kingdom. Beadle and Tatum proposed one gene, one enzyme theory in genetics by experimenting on Neurospora. They were awarded Nobel Prize for it. And another one, sixth one, Ericifae, different species of Ericifae causes powdery mildew disease on plants. Ericifae triticea, it causes powdery mildew of wheat. Ericifae polygony, it causes powdery mildew of pea. Peziza, it is called as cup fungi. Truffles, some members of Ascomycetes are known as truffles. It is an edible fungus. Let us see yeast. In yeast, yeast is an unicellular fungi according to 5 kingdom classification. It should be placed in Protista, but exceptionally it is placed in Mycota, that is fungi, because its life cycle is similar to class Ascomycetes. Yeast grows on ripened fruits like grapes, sugarcane, date palm and flowers. Mycelium is absent in yeast. If yeast is dissolved in sugar solution, then pseudomycelium is formed. Because in sugar solution it grows very fast, that is, it reproduces fast. Economic importance of yeast. Yeasts are also called as fermentation fungi because different types of products are formed by fermentation with the help of yeast. Yeast is used as fermentation agent in bakery, that is bread industry, and brewery, that is wine industry. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae is called as baker's yeast. Riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, is obtained from Saccharomyces cerevisiae.